In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a description to a channel in Slack. Channel descriptions are extremely useful because they help teammates instantly understand the purpose of a channel, what kind of conversations should happen there, and who the channel is for. Whether you're managing a small team or a large workspace, adding clear channel descriptions can keep everything organized and reduce confusion. I'll walk you through this step by step, and it only takes a minute to do. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add the channel description. From the left sidebar, locate the channel you want to update. In this example, I'm opening a channel so you can see exactly where everything is. Click on the channel name to open it fully so it's active on your screen. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the Slack window. Near the channel name, you'll see an option to open channel details or settings. Go ahead and click on Edit Settings. This will open up the channel's configuration panel, where you can control things like the channel topic, description, and other details. After clicking Edit Settings, you'll see multiple tabs or sections related to the channel. From here, click on the About option. The About section is where Slack stores important information about the channel, including what the channel is used for and any helpful notes for members. Inside the About section, look for the Description field. This is where you can add or update the channel description. Click directly on Description and you'll be able to type in the text you want. You can write a short explanation of the channel's purpose, guidelines for posting, links to resources, or anything else that helps clarify how the channel should be used. Once you've finished typing your description, Slack will automatically save it, or you may see a save option depending on your workspace settings. After that, your channel description will be visible to all members of the channel, helping everyone stay on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully added a description to a channel in Slack. This small step can make a big difference in keeping your workspace organized and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple software guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.